Madden with today's weather. As you know, we are threatened by a hurricane. So before I give you the forecast, let's discuss hurricanes. Did you know the word hurricane comes from either the Spanish word hurricane for the Mayan storm or god hurricane, the Conich god of thunder and lightning? The scientific name for hurricane is clone or tropical clone. The characteristics of a hurricane include: a hurricane is a tropical storm with winds over 74 miles per hour. They are somewhat rare and only 1 in 20 tropical weather depressions will grow to a hurricane. Now we are going to talk how hurricanes form and maintain their strength. Now, hurricanes often start as storms off the African coast that gather strength over warmer water in calm conditions. In fact, hurricanes require water over 80 degrees to form and maintain their strength. Hurricanes are formed when areas of high pressure and low pressure push against each other. The Coriolis effect begins to cause rotation of the clouds as warm air in the storm rises and cool air descends. These storms are pushed by west steering winds. Now that we know the characteristics and formation of hurricanes, here's how they can weaken. Being overcooled, water quickly saps hurricanes' energy. Elevated land formations, especially mountains, slow a hurricane's winds or high-level winds that can shear the top of the hurricane. Now let's talk about Hurricane Ida. Ida was a tropical depression that entirely had winds of 35 miles per hour over the southwestern Caribbean Sea on November 4th. Ida meandered north, becoming a hurricane with steady winds of 90 miles per hour on November 8th. At this point, Ida was between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico and the entering of the Gulf of Mexico. Ida was concern for U.S. sailors in the Gulf states. She is bearing down on the United States. So here is the forecast for Hurricane Ida. Ida is expected to maintain her northerly track. However, as the water is cooler at this very late time of the season, she may lose her hurricane strength. Before landfall, which is expected over Louisiana, Mississippi, and Florida Panhandle, she brings a tremendous amount of rain in areas in her path. Need to prepare for heavy flooding. Once Ida makes landfall, her strength is likely to rapidly diminish. However, the rainfall will likely continue for days and will affect areas within many hundreds of miles of her landfall and path. This is the old sailor's run. June is too soon. July stands by. September and August come too must. October all over. November remember. And Hurricane Ida starts out from over here. It starts coming around. This is the part where it starts to become a hurricane. It starts going up. It starts slowing down. Then around here, it starts to become a storm, and it keeps on going through and through and through.